Welcome, amazing champions. You are welcome to another exciting class, and we shall be looking at an interesting topic in this lesson. As you can see on the screen, this is a rock, and you can recall that rocks are hard, solid materials that are made up of minerals. They could be in different shapes, sizes, and colors. But this time, we shall be looking at the different types of rocks. There are different types of rock. The types of rocks are divided into three. So we shall be looking at the three types of rocks and discussing about how they are formed. The three different types of rocks are 1. The igneous rock, 2. The sedimentary rock, and 3. The metamorphic rock. Again, the rocks are divided into three types: the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. First, we shall be looking at the igneous rock. The igneous rock is formed from magma that has cooled and become hard. This magma is rock that is melted because of the heat from the earth's core. So when this melted rock becomes cool and hard again, it forms igneous rock. This magma sometimes get cooled within the earth or can burst out through the surface of the earth as volcanic eruption. When the magma cools within the earth, it forms intrusive igneous rock. Then when it cools on the earth's hot surface, it forms extrusive igneous rock. So because it is within the earth, the intrusive igneous rock gets cooled slowly and form large crystals. But because it is on the earth's surface, the extrusive rock cool faster and make small crystals. Examples of igneous rocks are the andesite, the granite, the obsidian, diorite, gabbro, tuff, pumice, and so on. So next, we shall be looking at the characteristics of igneous rock. We can identify the igneous rock by the fact that they do not contain fossils. They can be fine-grained or glassy, light-colored or dark-colored. They have no layers. The next is the sedimentary rock. This is another type of rocks that are usually made from other rocks that are broken down and joined together. When rocks break down and settle down together and become cemented again, they form the sedimentary rock. So the sedimentary rock are formed when water and wind causes other rock to break down. They break down and become compact again and cement together. The sedimentary rocks are divided into three different types. We have the clastic sedimentary rock, which is made of fragments of rock cemented together. Another type of rock are the organic sedimentary rock. But first, examples of the clastic rocks are redstone, breccia, conglomerate, and shale. So the next type of sedimentary rock is the organic sedimentary rock made from fossils. Examples are coal and limestone. The third group of sedimentary rock is the chemical sedimentary rock. They are gotten from dissolved minerals. An example are also limestone and gypsum. The characteristics of the sedimentary rock are that they usually contain fossils because they are formed by fossils, and they are the most common type of rock. They are usually found or formed underwater, and they have layers. Examples are the glacial conglomerate, the chalk, the limestone, the anthracite, the sandstone, and so on. So the third group of rocks are the metamorphic rock. These rocks are formed when other rock changes. The metamorphic rock are rocks formed when either igneous rock or sedimentary rock change. A rock that has been changed by heat and pressure is called metamorphic rock. So when rock changes, it forms a metamorphic rock. And the metamorphic rocks are also divided into two: the foliated, which has layers as we can see on the screen, and the non-foliated, which do not have layers. The process by which a rock change into another rock or into a metamorphic rock is known as metamorphism. And the two things that can cause this change is heat and pressure. So rocks can change in two ways, either by contact metamorphism or regional metamorphism. Contact is when the rock is in contact with magma, while regional metamorphism is when other rocks collide or due to pressure. So rocks can change either by regional metamorphism or contact metamorphism. So the characteristics of metamorphic rocks are: they may be foliated, contain or hardly contain fossils, and they react with acids. So the examples of metamorphic rocks are gneiss, slate, and so on. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next class. Bye.